everybody, welcome back to Sheena's Homestead. If you're new here, I'm Sheena and this is my homestead. Today we have a very special project and a very special helper. My husband is here and he is helping me put together this shelf. I shouldn't say helping me, he's doing it. He's putting together this shelf. We got this from Costco. It's going to have 5 shelves on it, and he bought me a bunch of grow lights. So we are putting this whole thing together. We're gonna space it about 16 inches apart, and hopefully we'll get some seeds started. I'm not quite sure what we're gonna start with, but this is our first step. So come along with us today while we get this all set up and going. So for those of you who have been following my show, you know that Rob is my husband, but he doesn't appear in many of my videos. So this is his big debut.
Hi guys.
He is my handyman and he is the function behind all of my crazy ideas. So I share with him what kinds of things I'd like to do around the house and the projects, and he always comes up with a way to get them done. I love him.
Love you too, baby.
So this shelf is really, really neat. You can choose what height you want each of the shelves to be. There's just these little black marker things down here, and you snap them together right where you want them. So Rob has measured out 16 inches apart. So we are going to put that there, and then he is going to zip tie the lights to I guess you would say the bottom or the top, whichever way you look at it, the bottom of the shelf. So we'll have them kind of hanging down towards the plants that we will put right here. Okay, so these are what Rob is attaching to the shelves. They are 4-foot LED full spectrum grow lights. And these are 4 feet, so they actually fit the shelf perfectly. And he's just using some zip ties to attach them. They did come with little wires that you can hang from the bottom of your shelf, but we're gonna do the zip tie stuff instead.
Okay, we're almost done. Just have 2 more lights to go. These are great. A couple different ways you could hang them. Each one comes with the rail kit. Okay, you just slide the light right in when you hang it. And these you could use to daisy chain your lights to, so you don't need multiple power cords. I'm gonna go with zip ties on this one because it's just easy. Easy, quick, simple. All you have to do is just thread it right through and you're good to go. These lights are very light. Next step, just attach your lights. Easy peasy, clicks right in. See our lights clicked in. Just hook up the daisy chain right here. And spin at least our power cord. And we're hooked up right to our timer.
Okay friends, well, what do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think I should grow first. I don't know if I'm gonna do some seeds starting for spring yet. It's a little bit early. Or if we're gonna try and just maybe sprout some things for the chickens to snack on. Either way, I am really excited to get started growing and doing all of our own things organically. It's super exciting. I want to say thank you to my handyman here who put this together for me. It's been a long time dreaming up this little project, and it as you saw, it wasn't that hard, as long as you have one of him. I'm sorry, I can't lend him out. He's all mine. But thanks so much for joining us. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time on Sheena's Homestead. Bye.
Bye.